Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Marky. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers in your activity which is about high and low biodiversity. Let us now begin. Question number 1. Study the image below. What can you say about its biodiversity? The correct answer is high biodiversity. Question number 2. Which of the following is the predator? The correct answer is snake. Question number 3. It refers to the way of describing the flow of energy in food through a community or an ecosystem. The correct answer is food chain. Question number 4. Look at the pictures below. Which organism is an omnivore? The correct answer is bear. Question number 5. What do you call those organisms that feed on dead bodies of dead animals? The correct answer is scavengers. Question number 6. Look at the picture below. What does it show? The correct answer is a food web. Question number 7. Which of the following is true about a food chain? The correct answer is it consists only of one straight chain. Question number 8. When a green plant is consumed by a herbivore, how much energy of the plant is converted into the body of the animal that consumes it? The correct answer is 10%. Question number 9. The most productive ecosystem on Earth is? The correct answer is tropical rainforest. Question number 10. Study the image below. Which among these organisms is the primary consumer? The correct answer is grasshopper. Question number 11. Blank are also known as the rainforests of the oceans. The correct answer is coral reefs. Question number 12. What do you call those meat eaters in the ecosystem? The correct answer is carnivores. Question number 13. It refers to each stage on a food chain. The correct answer is trophic level. Question number 14. Which of the following is true about a food web? The correct answer is it consists of many interconnected food chains. Question number 15. Study the picture below. What can you conclude about the biomass in the ecosystem? The correct answer is pyramid of biomass says that only 10% of the total biomass is transferred from one to another trophic level. Question number 16. It refers to the place where an organism makes its home. The correct answer is habitat. Question number 17. Why do we need to protect the Philippine biodiversity? The correct answer is it serves as the home and food source of almost all organisms on Earth. Question number 18. Which among the following pictures below shows low biodiversity? The correct answer is letter D. Question number 19. Study the picture below. What are those heterotroph organisms? The correct answer is grasshopper, frog, snake, and hawk. Question number 20. Look at the image below. What are those organisms that will eat the bug? The correct answer is frog, chicken, and snake. Finally, this ends this video presentation. If your score is 11 or above, congratulations. And if your score is 10 or below, it means that you have to watch again the video lesson about high and low biodiversity and look for those correct answers of your missed questions. Thank you for listening.